Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras. This is Dr. Fatima and we are on a mission to educate million moms and moms to be. Today we are going to discuss on first trimester. Before we discuss on first trimester, just look at your journey. Before you got tested positive, you might have got so many doubts whether I'll be pregnant or not, whether this is going to be true or not. Now that you have found 2 lines and you got confirmation, it means that you're pregnant. So now the journey is different. So during pregnancy, it's very important to know what to do, what not to do, what to expect, what not to expect, because everything is like a roller coaster and kind of question bank for all the couples, I would say. First thing is confirming by UPT. UPT means urine pregnancy test, wherein you get 2 lines. If you have got 2 dark lines, you got a confirmation that you're pregnant. If you have got a light line, then it would be because you might have done the pregnancy test a bit early, or the hormones may not be that sufficient to show up at that particular point. In that case, repeat the test maybe after some 3-4 days. If you are very much excited, just go ahead with some blood test, serum beta HCG, which gives the HCG number in the blood sample. So that you can do. If not, you can straight away visit your doctor. Your doctor will perform early ultrasound to detect the pregnancy. That is how you'll get confirmation. And some women become even more smarter, assuming like, I'm not feeling hungry, I'm having this symptom, that symptom, so I might be pregnant. Maybe they are not also. So it's not to say that they are wrong, but we can't just assume the things. If it is pregnancy, one may see or may not see the symptoms. So they might see nausea, vomiting, craving for food, mood swings, headache, whatnot, like different symptoms for different women. And every person is different with respect to this, right? So the symptoms, yes, they do say that you're pregnant, but they don't confirm. So to confirm, you need to carry out pregnancy test and then you should do it. Okay, now we are done with the pregnancy test, symptoms, and please note every pregnancy is different. Okay, if you have got certain set of symptoms, your friend might get some other symptoms or nothing. So don't panic. First thing to do when you got positive result is to visit your doctor. And this thing I've come across multiple times. Women would come to me and say, ma'am, like I'm pregnant, so I wanted to wait for 3 months, or my you know um, household people, or our in-laws or our parents are telling us to wait for 3 months, or they are telling not to reveal. Okay, if you don't want to reveal, that's up to you, that's fine. But this is very crucial to visit doctor. Why is it crucial? Once the pregnancy gets confirmed, okay, you should also ensure that it is implanted at the right place. Implantation is nothing but the viable embryo when it gets implanted onto the lining of the uterus. That is called implantation. The right site for implantation is uterus, not anywhere else. Implantation other than uterus is called as ectopic pregnancy. So when you go for an early ultrasound, or when you go for a dating scan, I would say, your doctor will perform and will tell you where the implantation has taken place. So when you visit your doctor for the first time, then you will get a chance to know where your pregnancy is, whether it is in the right place or not, how healthy it is, what you would require further. Not only the scan, not only the presence of fetus, they would also ask you to go for certain blood test. So each and everything, right from your blood grouping till some venereal diseases, blood tests are done. This is very, very important to know if there are any issues with respect to the mother. Okay, and coming to the important scans. As I've told you, the first scan, it is done around 6 to 8 weeks. This is the initial first scan. In some cases, your doctor may suggest an ultrasound even before that. Okay, so going forward, around 11 to 13 weeks, there is a scan called as NT scan, nuchal translucy. So this scan is done to know the chances of chromosomal abnormalities in the growing fetus. Before, during our parents' time and all, there are no much advanced tests or scans to know this sort of issue. Now the science is very much advanced. Now we have got so many things to understand prior, so many things to diagnose prior, almost we can say. So in that, NT scan is one such thing. So NT scan sometimes can be combined with double marker test. So here, when the woman is 30 plus, if they have got any issues previously with respect to chromosomal issues and all, they might combine not only double marker, there are also certain other tests like this, like triple marker, quadruple. Based on requirement, your doctor can suggest, but this is a general thing, like NT scan is done. Okay, don't miss your NT scan timing, because if you are missing your NT scan timing, if you go late, there is no use of it. Now coming to medication part. So prenatal vitamins are very, very important, right? So you might have heard of folic acid. Have you heard of neural tube defects? Neural tube defects means the defects related to brain and spinal cord. You might have seen some babies having cleft lip or cleft palate or some spinal cord related issues. This is due to this folate deficiency. In order to prevent folate deficiency or to prevent this neural tube defects, folic acid supplements are given. Folic acid supplements should be taken right from the time you conceive, not only right from the time you conceive, even before that. 3 months prior to conception onwards, you need to take folic acid supplements, and once you know that you're pregnant, it's mandatory to continue during the first 3 months. After that, you will be getting different set of prenatal vitamins, but during the first trimester, these are the crucial things. I hope this is very clear. And now coming to the partner role. So when you are planning for pregnancy, it's not just you are planning for pregnancy. It's effort of you and your husband as well. So when you are pregnant, you would be going through a lot in your mind, like whether I'm pregnant, am I really pregnant? Is it going to work? Sometimes mood swings, confusion, frustration, anxiety, self-doubt, what not everything can bombard that mom to be. So the role of partner here is very, very crucial. These are the tiny things maybe for you, but not for the pregnant lady. She may not express to others like I'm feeling like this, I'm feeling like that. Sometimes she would tell you and you might ignore as well. But some things are for real. Support your wife during her pregnancy phase. Give her that empathetic touch. Just tell her what she's going through. Just tell her how beautiful it's going to be. So pregnancy is something that the mother or mom to be is carrying by herself, but pregnancy is something that the father to be is carrying in their mind. So what I wanted to say to all the dads to be is to support your wife. It could be, in the household chores, or it could be for the prenatal vitamins or prenatal visits. Whenever you are back home, just ask how her day was. Just tell her, how this week is going to be regarding pregnancy. Maybe if you read some article on pregnancy or something good on pregnancy, just tell her that thing. Just ask like how the things are going on. Just remind her that she should take medication. She should have healthy, nutritious food. It's not only reminding, just ensure that she does it. So when you take care of her in this way, you can see her improving holistically. Just check how is her weight. How is she gaining weight? How much it should be. We have posted multiple videos on pregnancy. You can check out our pregnancy playlist wherein we have discussed on various topics. So going forward, you will find so much information on pregnancy. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. This is regarding the first trimester. We will discuss more and more on pregnancy related topics, nausea, vomiting, how to handle. I have made a very detailed video. You can just check it out. I hope this video is beneficial for you. There are so many women who don't get this sort of information, who are still confused. So through these videos, I just wanted to give them some information. So please share it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.